we're going to cross the street and go forward. Ah, that's the beauty of it.